Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to share WordPress post on social media. So imagine this, you are a blogger and you have created an awesome post in WordPress. So you want to bring in more views and more traffic. So your idea is that when you create a post on WordPress, you want to share it on social media sites like Facebook. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you copy all the posts from WordPress and paste it manually on Facebook. Or you can bring in some automation. So here, when a new post is created in WordPress, it will automatically add a post in Facebook. Now, in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate WordPress and Facebook. Now, the integration with Pabbly Connect is very easy. It can be done in very few steps. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is it doesn't need any coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and here you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as WordPress to Facebook. WordPress to Facebook. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as WordPress, because we want to send the data from WordPress, that is why. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new post published? New post published. Okay, so new post published is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new post is published in WordPress, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more trigger events like post thrash, post deleted, post updated, user login, user registers, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new post is published in WordPress. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate WordPress to Pabbly Connect. Now, to actually begin the integration process, you actually have to install a plugin. So the name of the plugin is this one. WP Webhooks, this one, okay, WP Webhooks. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this name. This is the name of the plugin, that is WP Webhooks, and I'm going to click on plugins. Okay, so as you can see, let me just show you the install plugin, and let me just open the tab of add new plugins. So I'm just going to copy the name of the plugin here, okay, and press enter. Okay, so as you can see, WP Webhooks is already installed in my system. Now, in case if you don't have a WP Webhooks installed in your system, all you have to do is just click on add plugins. And here you just select the plugin that you want, that is WP Webhooks. Okay, so obviously you know how to install a plugin. It's actually pretty easy. So in this case, for example, if you want to install this plugin, all you have to do is just click on install and this plugin will be installed. And after you install the plugin, all you have to do is activate the plugin. Now, if you are working with WordPress, you already know how to install a plugin. So I'm not going to get into much technicalities here. So as you can see, this plugin has been installed, WP Webhooks. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on settings. Here I'm going to select WP Webhooks. Okay, so we have entered into the WP Webhooks page. So here you will find the option called as settings. Okay, so this is the settings page of WP Webhooks. So click on settings. Okay, so this is the settings page of WP Webhooks. Just scroll down, and the idea is that we are going to activate the data triggers. So basically we want to send the data when a new post is created. So that is why we are just going to toggle this to the right. So basically the idea is it will send the data when a new post is created. Now, if you want to send the data when a post is updated, you have to toggle this to the right. But I'm just interested when a new post is created, then only the data should be sent. Just click on save all. Okay, so we are not done here. We have to make some more changes. So scroll up, okay, and just click on send data. Click this. Okay, so this is the page where we create the actual webhook. So here you have the choice, send data or new post. Just click this. Okay, so first we have to create a webhook URL. So first of all, I'm going to give a name to my webhook URL. So the webhook URL name is Facebook integration, because we want to send the data to Facebook. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. I'm just going to give it as Facebook integration. Now coming to the most important part, that is the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, let's go back to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Paste it here. Okay, so this is the webhook URL you want. We have pasted it. So just click on add. Okay, so as you can see, the webhook URL has been added. So basically it will it is showing that the webhook fires after a new post was created. Now there is something else you should do. First of all, you have to go and refresh for settings. There are some more changes you have to do, just a minor one. So just click on refresh settings. Okay, so as you can see, the settings has been refreshed, and let's just click on settings once again. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so we want to select the triggers. So make sure that when trigger on selected post type, so make it as post, and trigger on initial post status. How about we make it as published? Okay, so we have made some changes. Just click on save. Okay, so basically our webhook is ready. So the idea is that whenever there is a new post created in WordPress, Pabbly Connect will receive the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect receives this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what we are going to do here is we are just going to create a new post in WordPress. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm taking you to my WordPress. So this is all post. I'm going to click on add new post. So we are going to create a post. Okay, so the name of the post is email marketing. Email marketing. Okay, so that would do. Now this is the post. Okay, something random. This is the total post we have, and we can also set the feature image. So this is the feature image. I'm going to upload files. Click on select file. So anything related to email marketing will work. Email marketing, nope. So but we go to quick access. Okay, so this one we have selected it. Okay, so this is my feature image. So I'm just going to click on feature image, set feature image. That has been set, and let me just click on publish. Okay, so the feature image has been set, so let me just click on publish. Okay, so a post called as email marketing has been published. So let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Has it captured the data of this particular post? Okay, so as you can see, we do have some data. So this is the post content. Email marketing is the act of sending commercial and all this. So basically this is the post. So, okay, so basically all this data that is present here is being just present here now. And then we have the title, that is email marketing. So as you can see, this was the title, email marketing. Now we have the rest of the details, when it was published, when it was modified, and all those things. The interesting thing that I want to show you is that thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail, I think. So let me just copy this and open this in a new tab. What is the thumbnail? Okay, yes, excellent. So this is the feature image that we have added, and we have got it. Now coming to the part, this is the permalink. So basically this is the permalink. So let me just copy this and open this in a new tab. Do we have the correct link? Oh, of course, we have the correct link. Okay, so this is email marketing, and this is the same post. Excellent. So basically now we have to create a post in a Facebook page from the data that we have received from WordPress. Now to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Facebook? Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of choice. Now we want to just post on Facebook pages. So let's select it as Facebook pages. Okay, so now in the action event, just make it as create page post. Okay, so create page post is an action event. There are many more action events like create page photo, create page video, and so on. So just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a post in Facebook. Okay, so just click on connect with Facebook pages. In the new credentials, just click on connect with Facebook pages. Excellent. So it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a post in Facebook from the data that we have received from WordPress via Pabbly Connect. So let's start mapping. So before we start mapping, let's explore what is this. So as you can see in the page, it is showing Technical Boy. And when we expand this, these are all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. So let me just go to Facebook, and let me just show you all the Facebook pages I have. So as you can see, these are all the pages I have in my Facebook account. Okay, so these are all the pages, and all the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here. Okay, so these are all the pages that is being reflected here. We have my page, true reviews, honest tech review, true review. Okay, so all the data that is present here is being reflected here. So what if I create a new page? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on create a new page. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new page. So the name of the page is trafficking WordPress post. WordPress post. So this is the page name, trafficking WordPress, and in the category, how about we go with the science, technology, and engineering. Okay, so let me just click on create a page. Okay, so as you can see, a new page called as trafficking WordPress post has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to refresh this page. So when I refresh this page, I can expect to find this newly created page that is trafficking WordPress post in the drop down. This is because Facebook is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so it has been refreshed. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find where is our newly created page. Okay, so this is the page trafficking WordPress post. So basically we are going to post the WordPress post here on this particular page. Now in the page access token, we don't have to do anything, just leave it as blank. Now coming to the message. So the message would be something like or how about we just type a simple message, new post published, and here we just give a blank and just type the post detail, that is email marketing, and just enter /n, and then we are just going to map in the post link. So this is the post link, I'm sorry. So yes, this is the post link. So we have mapped it. Now coming to the link URL, we are just going to map in the image URL. So let us explore where is our image URL. So let us check. Okay, yeah, so this is our image URL. Okay, so the message is new post published, and here it will show the title, that is email marketing, and then we have the link of this particular post, and then the link URL we are just going to map in the image URL. Okay, so let's check what is the result. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing some sort of data has been sent to Facebook. So let's have a look. Okay, so let me just refresh this page. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the post, new post published, email marketing, and this is the URL of that particular post. So let's explore. Let's click this. Okay, so this is the correct post that we have created in WordPress. Okay, so this was all about email marketing, and we have the post about email marketing, and this is the thumbnail. Excellent. So the presence of this post shows that we have successfully integrated WordPress and Facebook with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me take you to Pabbly Connect once again, and let me explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize my action window, and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Facebook pages. So now there is a perfect flow of data between WordPress and Facebook. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create one more post. Okay, so let me just create a post. Okay, so this is the post, and we want to set the feature image. So I'm just going to upload image related to subscription billing. So okay, so this is the image of subscription billing that I'm going to add. Okay, so we have entered the image, we have set the image, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on publish. Okay, so a post has been published. Okay, so this is the post. Let's explore this. Okay, so this is the post about subscription billing. Okay, so let's have a look in this page called as trafficking WordPress post. Do we have the post of this particular WordPress? Yes, we do have the post. Okay, new post published, subscription billing, and this is the link and this is the image. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new post is created in WordPress, it will be reflected as a post in Facebook.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.